Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can create, build and customize your own personalized browser layout here in the Shift AI browser. So let us dive into this. So launch the Shift AI browser on your desktop computer or laptop and next click into that gear icon in the top right. So what you want to do next guys is scroll down and here under personalization you will see that button custom layout. So that you can create, for example, I don't know, customize the sidebar and yeah, you will see what I mean. So click into build your browser here and then you will see various templates, right? So click into templates tab here, you can go with one of these. I'm using this one here, but you can scroll down and go with one of these and you will see the preview here. So if you'd like to use one of these customizable templates, click into select and you will see, for example, the difference here. And that's basically it. Now, what you want to do, guys, is after that is click into these tabs here at the top, bars, controls, and apps, and then you can customize each one of these. So if you click into the bar, you will see, guys, for instance, these dotted lines here as the border of the given area here. So you can, for example, customize each of these areas. For example, move it to a different position. And yeah, align these like blocks, content blocks in building websites, for example. So change the position so that it fits or matches your preferences. And that's basically it, guys. So you can also navigate to the controls here and choose, for example, which controls you would like to use. So if I, for example, enable, let's say, settings, and position it, let's say, I don't know, somewhere here, it will be added there as a button to the toolbar here. And yeah, you can do this, and then once you're ready, guys, click into save to save your custom layout. I'm not going to do this. I would like to keep the previous one, so click into cancel here, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.